This is Cuba, baby!
Previously on Trio. Hey Trio Tribe, welcome back. Last time on Trio, after a little confusion getting our boat's paperwork back from the Cuban officials.
It's kind of weird being held hostage by somebody that has your paperwork. But that's what you do in Cuba. You hand them the paperwork the night before, or when you arrive, and then when you want it, you request it the night before, and hopefully they give it to you the night before. Or like us, you request it the night before and they give it to you the next day.
No tengo.
No.
No.
Tú tienes. Sí.
No sé.
We continued moving west, but again with just one rudder. It was a challenging downwind sail to Cienfuegos. With large variations at the wheel needed to keep us on course, we arrived safe.
Well, we made it to Cienfuegos. We had a few one-rudder spins while we were out there.
This time on Trio, we're exploring some of the city of Cienfuegos before setting sail west again with a stop at Cayo Largo on our way to Mexico for repairs. So come along with Trio for another epic adventure on our sailing catamaran Saltair 3 as we explore Cuba and beyond.
Internet in Cuba, hey babe?
Yeah, you like this internet cafe? Park.
Better hurry, we probably only got about 14 or 15 minutes left. You have to buy a card here in Cuba. That's the card Cole's holding up.
There's a person doing yoga on the front.
Yeah.
So I'm trying a real Cuban pizza. It's about 15 pesos, which is about 60 cents. And it's very good. It's so fluffy. It's like...
In true Trio fashion, we are at the Cuban ice cream parlor, and this is what the boys have ordered. Naranja, piña, and fresa. Cone piece of cake. How is it, Cole? Good.
Melting fast. Good.
Oh, it's good. That's good ice cream.
Yep. I love ice cream.
So she just took her plates away from her ice cream. There she goes there. And I paid her in local money. And the local money, she asked me for 5 pesos for 2 ice creams. 2 scoops of ice creams with fruit on the bottom and a biscotti piece of cake, which comes to 20 cents. So our ice cream that we just had, that Cole had, and that Chris and I shared was 10 cents for that. 10 cents each. So for $1.40 US, we had 2 pizzas and 2 ice creams. Wow, if you want to eat cheap in this country and you go with a local taco.
So just like on the sailboat, Brad and I take turns on watch, and instead of sailing, I'm taking my turn on watch for the video upload for your viewing pleasure. 71%, and maybe, I don't know, 23 minutes remaining. Not bad. Didn't think it was going to happen in Cuba.
So stay tuned for the next episode.
Well, we're taking a horse-drawn carriage back to the marina. We just got our internet fixed at the square at Plaza Marti here in Cienfuegos. We met some fans from Germany and Holland, of all places. They came out and talked to us while we were uploading a video, which is really cool. And look who's driving us home. Phil doesn't have his horse-drawn carriage license yet, but he's doing a pretty good job.
Getting my training license.
Take us home, young man. Ah, Joe. It's quite a smooth ride.
Yeah.
That's good. Surprise.
Watch the potholes, hey, Cole?
Yeah, that's that.
That's noisy. So we're here in Cienfuegos. We just left the marina. We're gonna walk into town to see if we can find some groceries because we're low on provisions. And we're still obviously without a rudder and a starboard engine. But our good friend Paul Tessier has offered to come and crew with us to help us make the long journey from here to Mexico. So we're excited about that. We don't want to do a lot of hand steering.
Yeah, it'll take a lot of pressure off that scooter to have that extra person for the longer trip.
But it's off season down here, and he's having a hard time getting a flight from Toronto, Ontario in Canada to Cayo Largo, way down here in the Caribbean. No, gracias, señor. No, gracias, señor. That's the number one business is taxis here.
Wow, this is a pretty building.
Yeah, there's some really gorgeous old buildings here. Palacio Azul. So hopefully we can find him a flight today, because using Expedia and kayak.com, he's not having much luck and he's getting frustrated, and I don't blame him. He said he spent the whole weekend trying to get flights arranged to come, because he really wants to come and we really want him to come. He's a really great guy, so we're gonna see what we can do in town. This is a typical casa particular in Cuba. You look for that symbol and usually there's a sign, but they're everywhere. There's thousands of these things, and you can stay for 25 bucks a night. Three people or four.
Across the road, there's one there, one there, one there, one there.
We haven't paid more than 25 for 3 of us. No, gracias. I like your flag though. There's Saltair 3 out in the bay. Downtown. I can't show you guys enough of the cars that are here in Cuba. It's just crazy cool. So we've hired a cab and we're going to rip around Cienfuegos and get some groceries. Okay, well, we're going to check out this spot for some vegetales. Next stop.
than my father. And for a year more, this car is my car. You know,
Yes.
the people only can buy one car, one new car. You know, it's impossible.
And how much did that motorcycle driver make? How much did he make per month?
15.
Who?
The man on the motor
15
per month.
Ah,
Go to the next one.
Yeah, go get a cabbage. Can't hesitate. We should have got the bananas at the last stall. Oh, cucumber, good.
And squash.
Squash, oh yeah. Okay, mission semi-accomplished. We got probably 50% of the things on the list.
Check this out.
Oh yeah.
We got this for Paul. Don't tell him, okay? It's a secret. For his birthday coming up.
He is gonna be so stoked. He has been wanting one of these forever. He is gonna love that.
That cool bongo. If you can believe it.
Hand painted in Cuba was
$18.
18 bucks.
Awesome. He's gonna absolutely love it.
Totally. And the best part is we were able to sneak it because he went off with his buddy Tyler, so we were able to go back and get it.
Yeah. Because when you're together all the time, how do you surprise somebody on a birthday?
Yeah, it's tough.
It's difficult. Isn't your birthday coming up, Krista?
Yes, it is.
We got some bananas.
Oh, we didn't get any bananas. Should have bought them at the first place we saw them. We're leaving.
We're leaving Cienfuegos. We're heading for some of the out islands of Cuba and then on to
Yeah,
Mexico.
the Garden of the King they call it now, I guess.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
6:30 in the morning, 1.5, 2.5 knots of wind, so again, we're motoring out of here. But the winds pick up, always.
Probably gonna pick up out of the channel anyway, too.
Yeah, because we're in a protected bay. And we're off.
One water and one engine.
One engine. Goodbye, Cienfuegos. It's a huge, huge bay. I've got some serious cumulus clouds ahead. Wonder what that'll bring. Hopefully nothing we can't handle with one rudder and one engine. That's an awesome fishing boat.
Buenos dias.
Oh, he's got a cigar in his mouth. That's awesome. Classic Cuban fishing village. What are you doing today? Oh, I'm gonna work on my boat, bail it out, and then go see if I can catch some lunch and dinner. Awesome. Must be a school close by because there's kids in uniform walking. Oh, and there's the ferry docks. That's the ferry terminal.
It's been an hour and we finally made it out to the mouth of the river. Not the river, the inlet, I guess. And the waves are pretty big coming out here. Once we get out past the point, they should calm down a little bit. You can see our friends on sandy feet behind us there. What up?
Buddy boat to sail with that.
Yep, we got support. It's our buddy boat. Of course, now that I'm trying to show it to you, it doesn't look like they're having any bounciness at all. There we go.
I saw their keels earlier.
Up and down.
Uh-huh.
You can walk faster than that. But you can't bring your house with you.
That's true. Makes for a heavy backpack. Yeah, we're getting beaten by a tugboat almost. You know you're going slow when. So here we are, motoring along with one engine. The wind hasn't filled in yet. We're just waiting for that to happen. Hopefully it happens sooner than later. So we're just hanging out. Sometimes all you can do is a whole lot of nothing. Cruise along at a whopping 3.8 knots. It's a slow boat to China today.
Things have picked up a lot. Seas are still really big. We're still seeing 2-meter seas.
Back to hand steering.
And we're having a hand steer now because the boat just, one rudder just can't handle it. We just did a big spin which scared the crap out of us. So yeah, 10 knots of wind, 6.5 knots of speed. Engines are just at a low RPM just to be on the ready. Should we start to spin to port, we have to apply port power to get us back on track and to rescue the boat before it spins and we cause damage. Not a lot of fun when you're worried every second about damaging the boat. It's gonna be a long 450 miles.
Yeah.
We've done 8 today.
No.
Well, 8 since we left the mouth.
Oh my god.
Hey, well, we made it. We're here at Cayo Sal. It's quite a remote anchorage, man. There's nothing out here except for this big rock. My friends in Sandy Feet are here with us, but there is nothing out here. Took us 10, 11 hours to get here, and there's a catamaran wrecked on the rocks around the corner. It's just birds and us. And the rest of the Caribbean Sea. Because there's nothing between here and Guatemala that way. But it's cool. It's freaking remote, but it's cool. So I'm gonna go dive the anchor and then we're gonna go check out the island. All right, cool, let's go check out the island. That's a little spooky.
Yeah.
50 foot, it says 50 foot, that's a Catana. A 50-foot Catana. Wow, I wonder what the story is there.
Not a good one.
No, wow. That's spooky.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the blowholes. Whoa! Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's a blowhole that comes through from the other side of the rock, the island. Wow! Oh, God. That was a good one.
Whoa!
Wow. It's like fireworks.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, trio!
Don't forget to subscribe on Trio.
Not subscribe, subscribe.
Subscribe, sorry. Again, take 2.
One more.
Okay.
2. Cut that out.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, trio!
Trio. Don't forget to subscribe on
Trio!
Bye bye.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.